In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a premium e-commerce style chocolate website using Google AntiGravity. And this is not just a fancy landing page. By the end of this workflow, you'll have a store layout with a scroll-based hero section, a clean product grid, testimonials, and strong buy now sections. Then we'll convert this into a WordPress theme, and if you want to start selling, you can install WooCommerce, add your products, and your store will be ready. Also, this video is brought to you by Airlift. If you are building a WordPress site for your product and you want a 90+ page speed score without spending money on performance plugins, Airlift is a free plugin that helps you speed up your site fast and clean. I'll add the link in the description so you can quickly check it out. Now let's get started. First, we need to generate the product visuals. You can generate these frames in Meta AI, Midjourney, or Freepik. I'm using Freepik because it's quick and consistent. The key rule here is continuity. Every new image should use the previous image as reference, so the camera angle, background, and object placement stay identical. The consistency is what makes the hero animation look premium instead of glitchy. So we start with a top-down macro shot of a cacao pod on a textured orange background. Then we generate the same pod opening lengthwise to reveal white beans. Next, we remove the shell and show the dried beans. Then we roast them darker with a slight sheen. Then we can crush them into nibs. Then we can refine it into a clean minimalistic chocolate bar. And finally, we can wrap that same bar in premium packaging. Once you've generated all the images, keep them in one folder. Now we can turn those frames into motion. You can try Gemini first by uploading a few images first. But if it doesn't give you the result you want, switch to Flow for better control. In Flow, use ingredients to video option and build this as 3 short clips, all with the same fixed top-down shot with no camera movement. Clip 1 goes from the close pod to the open pod to lightly roasted soft brown beans. Clip 2 continues the roast, then crushes and scatters the pieces around naturally. Clip 3 gathers the fragments back in, forms a clean chocolate bar, and then wraps it in the pure packaging. If the motion doesn't connect properly, use Flow's frame to video method instead. Add each segment to the same scene, use jump to, and continue from the next frame so it stays consistent. Once it looks good, download the video. Now convert that video into frames. Search for EasyGIF video to JPG, upload your video, and set FPS to at least 15. If the video is longer than 20 seconds, split it into 2 conversions, download both the zips and extract them. You will end up with 2 folders, but the file names will conflict. If the first folder ends at frame 300, the next one should start at 301. On Windows, open PowerShell inside the second folder, run the renaming script, then merge both folders into one and rename the final folder to sequence. Now we build the product website in AntiGravity. Open a new AntiGravity project, create an assets folder, and paste the sequence folder inside it. Then paste your prompt to generate a premium product landing page with a canvas-based hero section that plays the full image sequence on scroll, plus a preloader with real progress. After that hero section, you want real product website sections, like a clean navbar with a shop CTA, a why pure section with product value props, a signature bars grid with images, a process strip to build trust, testimonials for social proof, and then a final conversion section with a big CTA. After AntiGravity generates the first version, you do fixes using short prompts. Typical fixes include making the hero section truly full screen and sharp, moving hero text left and right so it doesn't cover the chocolate, improvising the text contrast so it looks premium, adding a clean navbar with a CTA, making the cards more glassmorphic, constraining product images inside the cards properly, and turning view details into a small elegant button. If styling isn't applied properly, call it out directly so it rechecks the CSS loading and layout constraints. Once the desktop version looks perfect, only then fix the mobile layout. Tell it clearly that the desktop version must not change. On mobile, adjust only the hero text so it's readable, usually by switching the hero text to white, moving it lower, reducing the size slightly, and adding shadow. Then separately prompt to clean up the navbar layout for mobile. Finally, convert it into a WordPress theme so you can upload it like a normal theme and go live. Tell the agent to create a theme folder like pure storytelling. Convert the page into frontpage.php with a header.php and footer.php. Enqueue CSS and JSS in the functions PHP and include WP head and WP footer. The most important part you need to know is the asset paths. Pass the theme assets base URL into main.js so the canvas loads frames from the correct sequence folder and output product image URLs through PHP so they resolve properly inside WordPress. Then generate the theme zip, upload it to WordPress in the themes and activate it. If there's an install error, paste the exact error back into the agent and regenerate the zip until it installs cleanly. Once it activates, your Pure Chocolate product website is live in WordPress. Now, if you want to actually sell the products, just install WooCommerce after the theme is active. Then add your products inside WooCommerce, set the prices, add the product images, and also connect to Stripe or PayPal. Your site instantly becomes a complete store and your signature bars section can either stay as a beautiful product showcase or you can link those buttons directly to WooCommerce product pages. And that's the full workflow. If you want, I can also share a couple of solid product section layouts so you can reuse them for other brands. Also, if you want to learn how to convert anti-gravity websites to Elementor templates, then click here and watch this video.